Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a green screen video without using After Effects, Roto Brush, and masking one by one. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, because this video will be helpful for most of you. If you want a voice reveal, let's grow this channel together to 10,000 subscribers. This method is really simple. You don't have to install any applications. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. First step, subscribe to my channel.
First step, subscribe to my channel.
Second step, go to your browser and type app.runwayml.com and then click enter. In this website, you can use so many tools that can help you. One of them is to remove backgrounds. To create green screen video, select Remove Background tool. After it loads, import your clip to the website and wait till the process finish. Add the video to the timeline and wait until the process is finished. Now select your subject that you want to mask. Wait till the auto mask is finished. Once it's finished, preview again your video to recheck the mask. As you can see, the mask is so good and I don't have to fix it. If you are happy enough with the result, you can press Done Masking. This is the result, and you see that the result is so good. This is way better than Premiere Pro and Roto Brush from After Effects, who will take hours. You can finish the masking process by pressing the Export button. You can also select the quality of the video. You can find your exported video in the Assets tab in the website. After the export is done, you can download your video. In this video, I use the Internet Download Manager to download things from the internet. The good part is that you can resume the download even after your computer has been shut down and turned on again. There are so much feature in this website, from videos, image, and 3D. You can generate image from text, videos from text, change video to video, image to image, and so many. Now bring the green screen video to your editing software and delete the green screen. Because I use Adobe Premiere Pro, I use the Ultra Key effect to delete the green screen. I think that's all for this video. If you think that this video is useful, please subscribe this channel, like this video, and leave positive comments in the comment section. You guys can also comment what video should I make next. I will try to respond as fast as possible. Thank you guys, I hope this video is helpful. See you in the next video. Goodbye.